Will the housing market stop sinking this year? What is happening right now in real estate, and what is happening in the housing market forecast for 2024? How much inventory is there, and how does this compare to the last few years? And what does this all mean for buyers and sellers that are looking to do something in 2024? And with the mortgage rates that have recently dipped down, and how is that going to play a part in sellers letting go of their extremely low mortgages? And are they willing to put their house on the market? I've looked at reports from the National Association of Realtors and studying the housing data. So in this video, we'll dive deep into what is happening right now in real estate and how this affects you as a buyer or seller that is looking to do something this year. So making headlines in the news recently is an article from Yahoo Finance, and it reads, "Existing home sales sank to slowest pace in 30 years in 2023. It goes on to say that sales of previously occupied U.S. homes slumped to the worst level in decades last year as elevated rates and rising home prices deadlocked affordability. When looking at year-on-year sales for previously owned homes, sales declined by 6% and came in weaker than predicted by economists polled by Bloomberg. And as you can see from this graph, existing home sales, which were 4.09 million last year, fell to the lowest level in nearly 30 years. Hey, real quick, I'm Jade in San Diego County, and if you find anything helpful in this video, please hit the like button and also consider subscribing to my channel so you stay informed of everything related to real estate made simple. Okay, back to the video. Looking at the median sales price nationally, from Redfin, you can see here on the red line in December, price for a median home price was $408,000. So this actually has gone up by 5% year on year. So back last December, as you can see here, it was $388,000. And looking to San Diego, here on the green line in December, the median sales price was $840,000. So just a little bit less than LA was $850,000. Where we here, 850,000, but year-on-year difference for San Diego, it was for December, it was 765,000. So that is a difference of 10%. So prices have appreciated 10%, which is quite a lot, especially compared to the national average of 5%. And while home prices have remained strong for most of last year, peaking nationally in July, and in San Diego, prices peaked in August, while home prices are creating some affordability issues, especially for first-time home buyers. There has been a little bit of a break recently as mortgage rates have started to come down in the last few months. They were at an all-time high in October a few months ago at 7.79%, and now they're dipping down into the mid sixes. Right now they are hovering around 6.5 or 6.6%. And for all those buyers that have been waiting in the wings, ready to jump in, they are jumping in to the game. Bidding wars are back. So what I'm seeing here on the ground in San Diego and putting in some offers for my buyers, there are multiple offers that are going into sellers' hands, especially if your house is beautifully staged, if it's upgraded and it's basically turnkey. Obviously, houses that aren't turnkey aren't getting as much demand, but there are a lot of buyers out there that are starting to jump back into the market. As you can see here in the headlines, it reads, "Housing bidding wars erupt as 2024 kicks off, with some listings seeing over 30 offers." Then it goes on to say that there was a whopping 9.9% increase in mortgage applications in the beginning of January, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. It's signaling that buyers are capitalizing on a declining mortgage rate and a small boost in inventory levels. And days on market is being cut in half in some select markets, so there definitely is more demand on the ground. And with the lower mortgage rates, sellers are breaking free of the lock-in effect. But there does seem to be a little bit of light at the tunnel and some welcome news. In a recent Zillow survey, it said that 21% of home sellers are thinking about putting their home on the market in the next few years. And that is up from 15% from just a year ago. And Fannie Mae also had some good news, saying that they expect mortgage rates to fall below 6% in the next year. However, a full recovery of the housing market pre-pandemic will probably take a few years. So there you have it, 2024 housing market forecast. Now, if you had any questions or found any of this information helpful, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. And if you liked this video, please check out this one. And thank you for watching.